California has the highest gas taxes, fees, and fuel prices in the country. So where does all of that tax revenue actually go? The answer might surprise you. California drivers pay over $20 billion a year in gas taxes and fees. That's more than $700 per driver per year, plus another $212 per driver due to fuel price hikes from the state's environmental regulations. That's more than $900 per year out of your pocket. And yet California's roads and highways rank in the bottom third nationwide according to the U.S. Department of Transportation statistics. Even our air quality is worse than the national average. So how is that money being spent? You might be surprised to learn that the majority of the gas tax revenue, roughly 72%, actually goes to roads and highways. In fact, the California Constitution requires that gas tax and fee revenues be used for streets, highways, and fixed transit lines. Take a look at this Department of Transportation chart breaking down where the money comes from and where it goes. Now, the distributions are tough to follow, but there are legal protections in place to make sure the money is spent mostly how it should be. I'm Richard Bailey, former mayor of Coronado, and here's why you should care. California charges you a lot to drive, and the state spends a lot on roads and highways, but we don't see the results in our daily commute. Why? It turns out that this isn't a revenue problem, and it's not even a spending problem. It's a spending efficiency problem that's caused by bad policy and management. According to the Reason Foundation's annual highway report, California spends over $200,000 per lane mile maintaining roads and highways each year, which is about 2.5 to 3 times the national average. California's excessive per mile costs are driven by the state's contracting laws requiring prevailing wages that benefit labor unions, lengthy permitting and environmental reviews, which slow down projects, and a bloated administrative bureaucracy. And the reality is that until we fix how we spend, no amount of new tax revenue will improve our roads significantly because it simply will never be enough.